हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम आपके लिए अच्छे से अच्छे वीडियोस ला रहे हैं। अगर आप हेडफोन लगा के हमारे वीडियोस आखिर तक देखते हो और बार बार देखते हो तो आपकी अच्छी लर्निंग होगी और आपके अच्छे स्कोर्स यानी कि मार्क्स आएंगे। आप टॉपर स्टूडेंट बन जाओगे क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट। हम आपके लिए मेहनत से वीडियो बनाते हैं। सिर्फ हमारे लिए एक काम करो, हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करो, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करना ना भूलो, ताकि जब भी हम नया वीडियो बनाएंगे या कोई नया अपडेट आपके लिए होगा तो तुरंत आपको मिल जाएगा। हमारे वीडियोस को शेयर करना ना भूलो। आपकी पढ़ाई के लिए हमने एक खास ऐप बनाया है। इसमें आपके लिए होंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, क्वेश्चन पेपर्स भी आपको मिलेंगे इसमें। और इसमें सबसे अच्छी बात जो कि एमसीक्यू टाइप्स क्वेश्चंस यानी कि क्विज टाइप क्वेश्चंस होंगे। आप वहाँ पे टेस्ट दे सकते हैं और आपके तुरंत मार्क्स आपको मिलेंगे। आपका परफॉर्मेंस आप खुद चेक कर सकते हैं। ये ऐप आपको गूगल प्ले स्टोर पे मिलेगा। सिर्फ आपको सर्च करना है माई बेस्ट गुरु नाम से। थैंक यू एंड बेस्ट लक फॉर योर स्टडी। Dear students, now learn the question answers of lesson number 7, Soils. Question 1. Complete the following table. So the table is given in first column, factor or process, in second column, role in the formation of soils. So the first factor is parent rock. Determines the type of soil with its weathering or leaching. Second, regional climate. Determines the intensity of the process of weathering or leaching of parent rock. Organic material maintains the pH value of soil. Microorganisms helps decomposition of dead remains of organic material and so the proportion of humus content in soil. Question number 2. Why do the following occur? 1. To the west of Sahyadris, laterite soils are formed from basalt rock. Answer. 1. The rainfall is very heavy in the west of Sahyadris. 2. Due to the heavy rainfall, the eroded rocks get washed away in a large quantity and the parent rock lies bare open. 3. The iron in the rock reacts with the oxygen in the air and causes chemical reaction, and reddish orange colored laterite soil is formed. Therefore, to the west of Sahyadris, laterite soils are formed from basalt rock. 2. Humus content in the soil increases. Answer. 1. The vegetal litters, roots of plants, remains of animals, etc. get decomposed due to water. 2. Microorganisms and certain other organisms help to decompose the dead remains of organic materials. 3. The mixture of the above decomposed material gets mixed into the soils. This process goes on continuously and therefore humus content in the soil increases. 3. Soil formation process is faster in the equatorial climate. Answer. The soil formation is faster in equatorial climate because soils are formed faster in warmer climates than in the colder climates. Rainfall is an important ingredient for the formation of soil in this area. 4. The salinity of the soil increases. Answer. Irrigation is used for producing the greater amount of crops, but excessive irrigation draws the salts from the soil upwards and makes the soil saline and then unproductive. In this way, the salinity of the soil increases. 5. Rice is the staple diet of the people from Konkan. Answer. The climate of Konkan is moist and humid air, moderate rainfall, etc. Such type of climate is the best for the rice production. Therefore, rice is easily available for the people in Konkan. Therefore, rice is the staple diet of the people from Konkan. 6. Soil erosion. Answer 1. Removal of the top layers of the soils due to the work of the running water and the wind is called soil erosion. 2. Raining and the wind blowing naturally often happen. Therefore, soil erosion occurs. 7. Soil degradation. Answer 1. The soil quality may get lowered due to a certain reasons. This is called degradation of soil. 2. To obtain a higher agriculture yield, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, weedicides, etc. are used. 3. The excessive spraying of chemicals and use of chemical fertilizers leads to soil degradation. Dear students, now question number 3, give information on 1. Measures of soil conservation. Answer 1. Soil is very important component of a nature. Without it, most of the living things are impossible. Therefore, it must be conserved. 2. Soil conservation includes the works like construction of embankments and planting trees on them. 3. Construction of gully plugs against the steep slopes, etc. is needed. Such works are taken up by the Department of Soil Conservation. 2. Organic measures. Answer 1. Measures are the substances which provide nutrients for proper growth of plants. 2. Organic manures are those manures which are made up of decomposed dead remains of plants and animals. Vermicompost, compost, etc. come under organic manure category. 3. Organic manure is added to the soil to increase the proportion of humus, its fertility and enhance plant growth. 4. In comparison with chemical fertilizers, organic manures are always best and safe for the soil. 3. Place where you will get the information about the suitability of a soil for a particular crop. Answer: I will have to visit soil testing laboratories of state government which are available all over the Maharashtra. Here the soil is being tested in the laboratories and then further information is provided to the farmers. 4. Importance of soils for plant growth. Answer: 1. The soil is important to human and all living things on earth because it is the source of 4 basic needs: food, clothes, shelter and medicine, which directly or indirectly come from the soil. 2. Soils support roots and keep them upright for growth. 3. Soils provide plants with essential minerals and nutrients. 4. Soil holds the water and gives it to the roots of the plant for its growth. Question 4. Complete the following table with reference to the soil. So table is given in first column action, second column effect and third column result. So first one is construction of embankments. Effect is reduction in erosion of soil due to heavy rains. increase in fertility of the soil. In second, action is asked and the effect is wind speed decreased. So the action is planting trees. So due to planting trees, wind speed is decreased. What is the result of it is? So increase in fertility and stops the soil erosion. Next one, farmland is kept fallow for some period. Effect, that is fertility of soil gets maintained and the result is increase in fertility. So next one is humus content increased. So what is the action for that? Use of organic manures. Effect of it is humus content is increased in the soil. So what is the result? Increase in fertility. So next action is trenches are dug across a slope. Why? Effect, check the velocity of water running along the slopes and hence reduction in soil erosion. So trenches are dug to reduce the soil erosion. So it is for increase the fertility and stop soil erosion. So next one is litter is burnt in the farm. So effect, the proportion of the ash in the soil gets increased and the result is decrease in fertility if it is burnt. Use of organic manure, prove favorable for microorganisms and increase in fertility. So action, so effect is given here like salt content in the soil increases. Why? Excessive, because of excessive irrigation. So if there is excessive irrigation, the salt content in the soil increases. So due to this, result is decrease in fertility. So the last action is given, that is chemical fertilizers used excessively. So decrease the number of microorganisms and so the proportion of humus in soil is decreased. So there is a decrement in fertility as a result.
Extra questions?
Let's recall. 1. What are the different constituents of soil? Answer. There are 4 constituents of soil. They are air 25%, water 25%, mineral matter 45%, organic matter 5%. 2. From where do the abiotic factors become available for soil formation? Answer. The factors are easily available in the environment. The abiotic factors involved in the soil formation are wind, sun, water, and rocks. 3. On which factors does the variety in the soil depend? Answer. The variety in the soil depend upon its parent materials such as color, texture, structure, mineral composition, etc. 4. What happened to the seeds put in the pot filled with soil? Answer. The seed which is been put in the pot will get mixed in the soil and growth will take place of that particular seed. 5. What do you learn from this? Answer. Fertile soil is very essential for the growth of the plant. Think about it. 1. Why do equatorial regions have fertile soils? Answer. In equatorial regions, dense forests are found. Number of species of plants and animals are found there. After their death, their remains get decomposed and mixed with soil. This enriches the soil with nutrients and the humus in the soil increases. This makes the soil fertile. Therefore, equatorial regions have fertile soils. 2. Why is the vegetation sparse in deserts? Answer. 1. Desert environments are so dry, hot, and with minimum rainfall. 2. It is very difficult for the survival of the plants. 3. Therefore, only few species of plants can survive there. Thus, the vegetation is sparse in deserts. Observe the map given below and answer the following questions. 1. Which soil occupies most of the area in Maharashtra? Answer. Black soil Regur occupies most of the area in Maharashtra. 2. In which areas are laterite soils found? Answer. Laterite soils are found in Raigad, Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg, which are west side of the Sahyadri. This region is also called as Konkan. 3. Which soil is found in parts of the Sahyadri ranges? Answer. Yellow brown soil is found in the Sahyadri ranges. 4. Which soil is found in the river valleys of Maharashtra? Answer. Black soil is found in the river valleys of Maharashtra. 5. In which region is alluvial soil found? Answer. Alluvial soil is found in Mumbai suburban district area.
मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.